Hi, friends. Welcome to hashtag Flip Through Friday. This is an open collaboration. Anybody can flip through anything art related. Just use the hashtag so we can find your video. All right, I've got two nature books to flip through. Let's do this one first. Island, Diary of a Year on Easdale. Now, you've heard of the Edith Holden books. I don't have any of those, but this one is pretty similar. It's an illustration of a year on the tiny Scottish island of Easdale. A newly married couple. Beautiful. Let's zoom in a little. Zoom in a little more. Right away I can tell it's very sweet. First published in Great Britain in 1985. A very relaxing book, I can tell already. This is just telling about their notes about their life, I think. January. Quietness of the New Year, of New Year's Eve. Hey, Robin. Oh, this is very cute. I recommend it already. It's just giving their thoughts as they look at the different wildlife and the different plants. February. March. So it's a diary of what they've seen, and there's some poetry added in and lots of illustration. For instance, went to, I can't say that, went to that place in search of signs of spring. Hazels in the hedges bore male and female catkins with the sallow. Oh no, and the sallow was bedecked with furry silver knobs. Brought home some sprays of larch bearing with last year's cones. They look well in the apostle jug. So it's very descriptive writing. It's just delightful. Friendship is the inexpressible comfort of feeling safe with a person having neither to weigh thoughts nor measure words by George Eliot. Ivy means friendship. April, lots of activity in April. May, yep, with the spring, I'm sure there's lots of activity in spring too. Looks like there is. The pages look lively. Look how they wrote it in a circle. That's cool. There's another one. On our way to the forestry plantation to see and hear the willow warblers, we noticed that the pretty pollen-speckled male catkins of the osier, I have to look that one up, were now accompanied by new leaves. We went to a picnic, dear Arden couple. Arden couple? Anyway, it's filled with beautiful things. I think it's a relaxing book. If I was going to explain it, you can just read about spring and nature and beautiful words and poems, and the illustrations are soft. Maybe watercolor or colored pencil, I don't know. June, the flowers. Ooh, this page is very active. I love when they write in a pattern. Just filled with information. I don't think I'm in the frame. I was going to say that's a pretty page, but every page is pretty. Look at this one. Wow. I'm going to have to zoom out. Wow, what a beautiful book. It's really nice. Really nice. Autumn. The chickadees and the berries. October. The mushrooms. November. December. More beautiful writing. Okay, and there they are. Tells all about them. There it is. Island Diary of a Year on Easdale. Now, the next one is Flowers. It's a DK book. Love those DK books. The Book of Floral Designs. It's a big, thick one. And it's basically just a feast for the eyes. Flowers. Which one is this? The year 2000. It's basically just a beauty. What's the name of this? Flowers, the Book of Floral Design, specifically. So it tells about the colors. And I guess it tells how to design. Ooh, look at this. Purples and burgundies against yellow. Textures. If you want to learn how to do it, but I like to do it my own way. I just like to do it my own way. I don't want to read the directions. Oh. Ta-da. Oh, wow. Ooh, color. Color. Breath of spring. Lily of the valley. Flowers underwater. That's pretty too. I'm thinking the light is shining on your in your eyes. Is that working better? Amazing, isn't it? This one's called Perfumed Punch Bowl. Amazing! Gorgeous! Looks like this one is filled up with different materials. Corn and husks. Pumpkin. Every design you could possibly want. What are these lights? The lights. The flowers are inside. I think these are branches. I'm trying to fix my shoe. These are branches in the vase and the lights on the top. That's unusual. All kinds of ideas. Ooh. Oh, okay. The Christmas tree's upside down. There's an idea for you. I don't know why you would put your Christmas tree upside down. Why would you do that? See, this is why I only had 2 books today to flip through, because these are long. Oh, cocktail plants. I mean, rose petal cocktails. Feathers mixed in with your flowers. Watermelon vases! Why would you do that? I don't know. Roses. Roses are just so pretty. Swags, wreaths. Around your plate. I'm just kind of laughing to myself because it's so pretty. It's just endless ideas. But mainly, it's just beautiful. Preserving material, wiring plant material, making the base. I wonder if this is for flower shops when they want to learn how to be a florist. Endless, endless. Oh, these are cute. Is this the rest of the book? No, there's still some beautiful pages. Yes, I do recommend this book as well. If you just want to immerse yourself into the beautiful color of flowers. This is a good one for you. You could even put them in a frame, put them on your wall. Delicate plants, scented plants. All right, we're at the end. The end. All right. Good job, DK Books. Good job, Island Book. All right, that's it. I'm done. Thank you for watching. I will see you all in the next video. Have a great day. Bye.